Good morning. We are here at Lubpros in Belvidere, Illinois, filming the Spare Shields installation video for oil change facilities and service stations.
Hi Keith, how you doing?
How are you?
Good. We noticed one thing. The spare tire has no protection on it.
Really?
Yes, there's no lock or cables.
Is it vulnerable to theft?
Yes. You know, we do offer a product called the Spare Shield. It's a very simple install.
Yeah, we noticed that as we were sitting here, we were actually playing around with the display. How much would it cost us to replace our tire and rim if it were stolen?
Be up to $500. And the Spare Shield install goes from $49.99.
$49.99.
Just takes a few minutes to do it. We can do it along with you.
So we don't have to wait additional time, you can do it now, right,
Yes.
right here today?
Just takes a few minutes to do.
Okay.
And there's no locks, cables.
So a rather easy install.
It's very easy.
What do you think? Right? I wouldn't want to see kids roadside with a flat tire. That's rare. Okay. Please, yes.
Okay, we'll get started on it. Should be a few minutes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Starting up base 2.
Fire on 3. You going? All right, you good? All right, clear to raise the tire up 3. Good. You're all set then? So we did the oil change for you, and install the Spare Shield.
Yes, sir. That was really quick.
You got your, how 5 seconds?